Okay, so now let's start talking about eBay value. So if you crack one of these guys open, you have the power supply, which should be about 20 bucks, so anywhere between 10 and 15 bucks of value. I don't want to cut the cables, but the cables aren't probably much because I know this one's working. So we have about 13.6 ounces of low grade, and low grade on board sort is 15 cents a pound. So 15 divided by 16. So we have about 12 cents of scrap value here. But like I said, if this is working, you sell it, you'll get about 10 to 15 bucks profit, depending, I guess, on the day. This guy here, I don't know if it's working. I've never seen someone sell it. It's the eject and power buttons in the front. Like you can see, it's low grade, some cable, not worth much. Well, let's put that aside. We have the full hard drive. Full hard drive is about 1.4 pounds. And on board sort, let's see how much they pay for one of these. So, hard drive puncher, no. Hard drives with board are 55 cents a pound. Hey guys, so I lost the battery there. Kind of sucks. So as I was saying, we have the hard drive, which was, I think, that's it, 1.37 ounces, and they were 55 cents on board sort, complete like this. So that would make it 19 ounces. Oops, divided by 16. So as it is like this, the value is about 68 cents. Let's jot that down. What else do we have here? So we have the hard drive, we did the power supplies, which was pretty much a